Hey everybody, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 19. In this unit, we're going to learn to talk about the weather, as well as cover some basic time-related question words and grammar structures. So let's begin by looking at one of the most common questions in Chinese used to ask about the weather. 今天天气怎么样? What's the weather like today? Or how's the weather today? 天气 means weather, and in Chinese, when actually talking about the weather, we use a very simple structure. A time plus the weather. For example, 今天晴天, it's sunny today. Or 昨天多云, it was cloudy yesterday. We can also use some simple adjectives to describe the weather. For example, 今天天气很好, the weather is really good today. Or 明天很热, it will be really hot tomorrow. Cold in Chinese is 冷. So how would you say today is really cold? 今天很冷. 今天很冷. It's really cold today. Good job. Let's say you've just asked me, what will the weather be like tomorrow? And I respond, 明天下雨, which means it's going to rain tomorrow. Depending on your plans, you may want to know when it will rain. So you can ask me, 明天什么时候下雨? When will it rain tomorrow? 什么时候 is the question word for when, and breaking it down, 什么 means what, and 时候 means time. So 什么时候 literally what time, or when. Usually placed before a verb or verb phrase, 什么时候 uses the following structure. A subject plus 什么时候 plus a verb phrase. So for example, 明天什么时候下雨? When will it rain tomorrow? To respond, just replace 什么时候 with a time phrase, like this. 明天什么时候下雨? When is it going to rain tomorrow? 明天下午3点下雨. It's going to rain at 3 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. And I want to mention here a difference between 什么时候 and 几点. 几点 can only be used to ask about a specific time, like 6 a.m., 早上6点, whereas 什么时候 can be used to ask about specific times as well as specific dates. For example, 什么时候下雨? When's it going to rain? 星期六下雨. It's going to rain on Saturday. Usually, when talking about the changes in weather, it's not really possible to always give an exact time. In Chinese, when wanting to give an approximate time, like around 6 o'clock, we can say 6点左右. 左右 means approximately or about, and literally 左 means left, and 右 means right. 左右 is used after a number and a measure word. For example, 30度左右, around 30 degrees, and 3000块左右, around 3,000 yuan. So how would you say around 4 o'clock? 4点左右. 4点左右. Good job. When looking at a weather forecast, it's common to see a high and a low in degrees for the temperature. In Chinese, to express the highest or the lowest, we can use the word 最. 最 is an adverb that can be used before an adjective to indicate the greatest or the least degree of quality. For example, 最高 means the highest, and 最低 means the lowest. Temperature in Chinese is 气温, so to express the highest the temperature will be 30 degrees, we can say 最高气温30度. 最高气温30度. The highest temperature will be 30 degrees. So how would you express the lowest temperature will be 25 degrees? 最低气温25度. 最低气温25度. The lowest temperature will be 25 degrees. Lastly, 最 can also be used with psychological verbs. For example, 喜欢 to like. 最喜欢 means to like the most. So I could say 我最喜欢篮球, which means I like basketball the most. And I could also say 我最不喜欢吃苹果, which means I like to eat apples the least. Bye bye.